I te timatanga o tēnei o ngā kura, I tā koha a ngai tuahuriri I te pūrākau, I te paina rātou I ngā whare, o tēnei o ngā kura a tāhua rawa. E ai ki ngā kōrero ko ngā wai, te tino taonga o Waipaha. So ko manawa is that puna, it's that pure spring, and koenei te ngākau o te kura, koenei te manawa o te kura, and koenei te hāpori reorua o Haeata.
No te tau 2018, I tīmata tēnei kaupapa o He Reo Tupu, He Reo Ora. Ko te kaupapa, hei whakaora I te reo, hei whakaora hoki ngā whānau. Kia ako ngā whānau ki te kōrero Māori, ki te taha Pāngarau, me te taha Te Reo Matatini.
He Reo Tupu, He Reo Ora is a program that we deliver alongside Te Pūtahitanga to help our whānau build their Māori tangata, Te Reo Māori, reconnect them with their whakapapa and just create an environment where they feel safe to do so.
I whakaritea e te whānau, kia hui tahi tātou ia wiki, no reira ka hui ia tūrei. I roto I aua hui, he hurihanga. No reira e rua nā hurihanga, ka haere ki tērā kaiako, ki te ako I ngā akoranga, ka tahi ka haere ki te tahi atu kaiako, ki te ako I rā akoranga. He nui ngā akoranga. Ko ēnei akoranga Māori e hāngai puana ki te Reo Matatini me te Pāngarau.
Ko tētahi o ngā aronga, ko te ātārangi.
E whakaako ana mātou I ētahi rerenga kōrero, ka taia rātou te tukuna ki te kāinga, kia rere te reo. Ko te reo mihimihi, he mea nui kia mātou, kia tū rangatira rātou, hei māngai mo tō rātou whānau, hei tautoko hoki I ngā tamariki kia tū rangatira rātou hoki. Kōrero mai, tōku whānau?
Tōku whānau!
Anō, kōrero mai, tōku whānau?
Tōku whānau!
Okay, titiro mai, whakarongo mai.
He mea nui te hononga akoranga ki te ngākau nui o te tamaiti. Ko te waiata, ko te pāo, ētahi o aua ngākau nui ki ēnei tamariki. One of the activities I did at the Pōwānanga was a mihimihi rap, which is a mixture of mihimihi and contemporary music. Whale matua. Taru. Ko Antonia, tōku wingua, he uri tēnei, no ngati kara toka nui.
Paia! Paia!
Let's go!
Ko ngārui, tōku ingoa, he uri tēnei, no ngati kara nui. Paia! Paia!
As an example for our Pāngarau, we looked at the cultural narratives. So we took our whānau out. In our tamariki we were able to look at the depths of the water, we experimented with the quality of the water, and then we'd bring it back. All our tamariki and our whānau know most of our cultural narratives now, which was what was really important from the beginning of the program. And so it wasn't just Pāngarau on a board, it was Pāngarau living it, ko te tirohanga Māori ki whakaaro.
Titiro, ko tuawera tērā. Tuawera means to be cut down by fire. And it actually was a tohora.
Mr. and Mrs. Awakomanga today. Paia! Rehe ko!
Kei te whuku o tuawera mātou.
Paia!
So during our program, we've had to evolve and we've had to change and we've had to have a really good look each year and in order to be able to cater for our tamariki and our whānau. And so this year has been a very difficult year. Ko te rāhui, ko taua mate.
I te wā o te mate korona nei, I whai wā mātou ki te whiriwhiri me pēhea, me pēhea kia haere whakamua mātou I tēnei wā. Nā reira I whakatū tētahi pai tukutuku mō te whānau kia mōhio nā tamariki hea ngā mahi o te kura, hea ngā mahi mā rātau o te kāinga, I hoatu ngā ipapa ki ia te maiti o ko manawa, kia taia rātou te hono mai kia mātou nā kaiako nei. Nō reira I purua I tahi mahi ki runga te pai tukutuku, ko te ingoa o te pai tukutuku rā, ko he taukaia ki ko manawa. Nā reira I tūwhera te waharoa ki taua pai tukutuku.
We had set up quite a few resources for our kids to continue on with the mahi at school. And we set up an online platform for our whānau to continue learning on, which we uploaded daily mahi, and we did karakia every single morning, karakia timatanga me te whakamutunga oki. During that time, I decided to use my puoro skills to collate a lot of the videos we were getting from tamariki to create essentially what is now He Waka Eke Noa. We sent it out to Facebook, and all of a sudden we had this massive positive response about how ko mana was using the COVID lockdown to still deliver school mahi as well as whakakotahi in times of such hardship.
Oh yeah, so the games and stuff like that, that's really awesome. Sometimes we still bring them out, we still have the resources that were given to us to learn Pāngarau and stuff like that. The kids really love it. So every now and then we get those resources out and share whānau games nights and stuff like that.
What we found though for our program is that our whānau found it quite difficult. So with He Reo Tupu, He Reo Ora this year, we decided to go online a bit more and give our whānau the skills to be able to access online activities. Ko ngā piki me ngā heke, teaching our whānau how to just turn on a device, how to check in, not be whakamā on Google Meet.
The hardest part is trying to sit down with your moko to get them to teach you how to use this equipment. That's the really hardest part. Let alone learn the te reo along with it. Jeez.
Ko tētahi wero pea o tēnei kaupapa. Ko etahi o ngā whānau e mōhio, āhua mōhio ki te kōrero Māori, ko etahi kāre he mōhiotanga o te reo i ngā tikanga. Nō reira, he rereke, kei tēnā whānau tōna ake rereketanga. Nā reira, mai tēnā I āhua rereke, ngā akoranga mō ia whānau, kia tutuki pai rātou.
My biggest challenge would be overcoming being whakamā about speaking in front of people and being whakamā about where I come from, because not knowing where I truly came from was a bit embarrassing. But to know that I know where I come from now and to be able to fluently speak it is awesome.
It's helped me to be a bit more confident in being a Māori wahine and learning my whakapapa and going on a journey with my boys as well. I thought as a whānau we think it's really important having 4 boys that they know who they are and their culture, what their culture's about, and being confident in that at a young age. He tino wero I te timatanga o tēnei o ngā akomanga o He Reo Tupu, He Reo Ora. Ko te whakamā, he mahi nui kia mātou te patua I te whakamā. Kare rātou I hihana te pānui I waiho mō ngā tamariki. Nō reira, ko mātou tērā e tautoko ana i ngā whānau kia puta i te reo, kia rere, mena he hapa, he pai, kia rātou e puta i te reo Māori.
I've been lucky to be able to see the great progress in the reo of our tamariki and of our whānau and of the engagement. You know, our whānau were able to go back and use all the sentences that they had learned and all the learning they could actually work with their tamariki at home and carry on with mahi. One of the most amazing projects that came out of it with He Reo Tupu, He Reo Ora was also the Children's University, and so it helped. They did lots of all their te reo Māori activities that they'd done in this class. They were able to use that for Children's University.
My whānau, we decided to join the kaupapa of Te Pūtahitanga to support our tamariki at school and being in a bilingual class to help lay a foundation at home so that we can support them when they come home from kura, and we can implement small things around the home to support them, yeah. The biggest challenge was learning my whakapapa. Growing up I didn't know my whakapapa, so this opened up a doorway for me to learn where I come from and be a bit more confident in my whakapapa to support the kids.
Kaupapa, I came here because I thought I'd tautoko my granddaughter, my moko. But when they opened this program, I took advantage because I thought I could help her. But really, it helped me. It helped the challenges that I came within myself. I found it really, really inspiring because I wasn't the only one learning. We were all learning. And that's the part that the whakamā came away from me, because it wasn't just me learning, it was everyone learning. I had to get over that part of understanding it wasn't just me. We were all there for a reason. We were all there to learn the te reo Māori.